When you want to have a tummy tuck, New York is the place to go. You can get your tummy tuck in the city for more reasonable prices, or in the suburbs for more reasonable costs. The reason that you need to make an appointment for a tummy tuck is that it is one of the most popular types of cosmetic surgery today. It is so popular because of the benefits it gives the patient. When you have a tummy tuck, you are able to lose weight, tighten your abdomen, and tighten your skin. You can be as happy with the outcome as you are happy with the procedure itself. When you do decide to have this procedure done, you will want to find a doctor in New York. There are a lot of doctors in the city and some of them are not experienced enough. This is why it is important that you do your research and find a doctor you feel comfortable with. The doctor should be a specialist in the field of tummy tuck. They should be an expert in how the procedure works and how they will heal your body after the procedure is performed. An important thing to remember when you're going to have a tummy tuck is that it is not an instant fix. The results will take time. If you are having the procedure done in New York, you will be able to save money by getting in sooner, but this does not always mean you will be able to have your results sooner. Make sure you are ready for what is going on in your body when the procedure is completed. One of the most important things you can do is make sure that you're ready to have the procedure done. You want to take a look at your body and see if you would like to change it as part of your tummy tuck. If you are interested in changing something, you should talk to the doctor about this. A tummy tuck in New York procedure may not suit your needs if you are too uncomfortable with it. There are different locations in New York that you can have the procedure. The most common locations are in Manhattan and New York City. If you do not want to have it done in New York, then there are many other places in the area that you can go. New Jersey, Connecticut, Maryland, and Massachusetts are all popular choices as well. There are many surgeons that perform tummy tuck procedures in other areas of the country, but none of them are as popular as New York. Make sure you are able to afford the surgery when you make an appointment to get it done in the city or in the suburbs. You want to look for a doctor who charges the lowest prices in both places. You also want to make sure that you feel comfortable with the doctor. Do not hesitate to ask for references so that you can ask them for help in choosing the best doctor. Make sure you make an appointment and take care of the doctor that you choose. If you feel uncomfortable with the doctor, you should never have them perform your tummy tuck. Do not feel bad about it, as this is a decision that will affect you for the rest of your life. Make sure that you go through all the pre-surgery procedures. This will help you avoid any problems after the surgery has been completed. You want to make sure that you have your recovery process completed before you begin the tummy tuck New York procedure. You want to make sure that you follow all the instructions that the doctor gives you before you start eating any foods after the procedure. If you eat anything that you are not supposed to before the surgery, then you may end up gaining weight, and you do not want this to happen. Do not put anything in your mouth until you have had your tummy tuck procedure done. Make sure you follow all of these tips before you get the tummy tuck done. Doing these things will ensure that you will have a safe recovery and a successful tummy tuck. Many people who want to lose extra skin on their stomach have considered tummy tuck surgery. Some may even choose this treatment in place of others for a more natural look. But before you decide to go ahead with the procedure, it is important to understand the risks and the benefits of the surgery. The following are information about tummy tuck surgery, the pros and cons of the procedure, and what to expect once you have the procedure performed. Benefits of tummy tuck surgeries. Improve self-image that will make you feel more confident and happier. Remove or reduce excess fat and stretch marks, making you feel more comfortable wearing loose clothing or just showing off your midsection in the sun. Increase the body's elasticity means that the skin will remain smooth and soft. You will be able to get a much better tan by having a mini tummy tuck. Risks and disadvantages of tummy tuck surgeries. This is one of the most invasive surgeries, but it is also one of the most popular and the most recommended surgeries in the United States. As with any surgery, tummy tuck surgery carries the risk of infection, blood clots, and other complications. Some of these problems can be very serious. Some less so. Your doctor will advise you on the best course of action for you depending on how you respond to your tummy tuck surgery. Although the risks may be higher than other cosmetic surgeries, it is still much less risky than breast augmentation or liposuction. Cost of tummy tuck surgeries. The cost of mini tummy tuck will depend on many factors such as the size of the tummy tuck, whether or not there are any complications, where you live, and how much skin you are going to remove. The more fat and skin you remove, the higher the cost of the procedure. The New York mini tummy tuck will probably be more expensive than other mini tummy tuck surgeries because of the size. It is important to understand how much you are willing to spend before you schedule your mini tummy tuck. So, if you have health issues or a history of diabetes, hypertension, or if you have had any previous cosmetic surgery, you should be aware that you will need to pay a higher cost. The benefits and disadvantages of mini tuck surgery. The mini tummy tuck is a great way to improve the appearance of your body, and it is often preferred by women who don't want to get surgery. In addition to the increased amount of skin being removed, the tummy tuck surgery can make your body look younger and more attractive. Because of the reduced skin, you will look thinner, more defined, and less bulky. If you have cellulite, you will find that the mini tummy tuck surgery will help eliminate it. Although the mini tummy tuck is not something that is recommended to all who are looking to lose extra skin, for those who do want to make their body appear less voluptuous, it can be a good option. Some surgeons will do the surgery for both men and women. For example, if you have sagging skin or a skin tear that is not healed and needs to be corrected, a mini tummy tuck can help fix the problem and make your skin look fuller. If you have stretch marks, a mini tummy tuck can reduce the appearance of them and make you look better, more toned and defined than before. A tummy tuck is a cosmetic procedure that involves the removal of excess skin and fat from the abdomen area. Many people choose to have a tummy tuck performed to achieve a better appearance by toning and tightening loose and sagging skin. In many cases, a full tummy tuck removes excess skin and fat, and, in many cases, it also restores broken or strained abdominal muscles, producing a firmer, more youthful-looking abdomen. A full tummy tuck usually takes about 2 hours, and the recovery time is relatively short. In some cases, a full tummy tuck may need several days in a hospital setting while patients recover. A mini tummy tuck is a liposuction procedure that leaves only a small amount of fat on the abdominal area. It is not as invasive as a full tummy tuck and generally takes about the same amount of time as the full procedure. However, there are more risks associated with a mini tummy tuck. Mini tummy tucks are often performed under general anesthesia. Many patients who undergo a mini tummy tuck have side effects such as nausea, vomiting, and excessive sweating. Many people also report that they feel like a bag of jelly after undergoing a mini tummy tuck. A mini tummy tuck is ideal for women who do not have enough skin to have a full tummy tuck. There are a variety of tummy tucks available for women of all sizes. Some of these procedures are for full tummies and others are for mini tums. Depending on your individual requirements, you may not want a tummy tuck performed for you. If you have a large amount of skin in your abdomen, you may want to consider having a full tummy tuck performed so that the surgeon can remove most of the excess skin. On the other hand, if you have skin that is thinner than ideal for a full tummy tuck and you want to lose weight, you may want to consider mini tummy tucks. Or if you have more excess skin and fat than necessary for a full tummy tuck or a mini tummy tuck, and you have a smaller sized abdomen, you may be better off with a mini tuck rather than a full tummy. Breast augmentation has become an increasingly popular procedure in the United States and the rest of the developed world in recent years. Breast augmentation can achieve beautiful and dramatic results from its own, alone, and in conjunction with non-surgical methods or surgeries. In some cases, many doctors recommend combining breast enlargement with cosmetic surgery for the best results. Sometimes this is done to give patients a chance to experience what the final outcome may be before making an important, life-changing decision. Many women who have chosen breast augmentation as their method of achieving breast size and shape choose this approach because they believe the benefits far outweigh the risks. New York City has a wealth of doctors and surgeons offering quality services and products to enhance the size of the breasts, as well as other body areas. Some of these cosmetic clinics offer free consultations at no cost. The majority of breast enhancement clinics in the city are board certified, and most are members of the American Board of Plastic Surgery. These cosmetic clinics are certified by a professional organization that accredits their practices. Cosmetic surgery and breast enlargement clinics in New York City are highly regarded for providing top quality care to patients and provide an experience that is unique to patients who choose to undergo the procedure. Most of the breast augmentation clinics that are accredited are located in high-end, residential areas that are safe and secure. Cosmetic surgery in New York City is often the only option available to many women who have a desire to achieve larger breasts, and most doctors that offer breast augmentation are willing to discuss their practice with patients to ensure that they have received the education and training necessary to provide safe, effective, and compassionate care for patients. Cosmetic surgery in New York City offers the same safety and effectiveness that most other cosmetic surgeries are known for. The majority of cosmetic procedures, including breast enlargement, are performed under the supervision of a board-certified plastic surgeon. When choosing a cosmetic doctor, patients should ensure that the doctor specializes in cosmetic surgery and is board-certified and board-eligible. Patients also should find out if the doctor has received continuing education credits and if the doctor has been an expert witness for a medical case. Some doctors may not have these credentials, so patients should research the doctor thoroughly before making a decision. Now, are you ready to speak with one of the best plastic surgeons in New York City? Schedule your free online consultation with Dr. Francis now. Call 212-226-0677. It's 212-226-0677. 212-226-0677. Or visit www.francisnyplasticsurgery.com. Thank you for watching.